Well, looky here. What do we got going on here? We got Jonathan in the house. Jonathan at Cannon Welding. He is the magic man. He's the metal guru. He's the guy that knows how to do all this kind of stuff. What are you doing, Jonathan? What is this thing? What is this thing, anyway?
This is a Bailey Industrial 5x10, 85 watts CNC plasma.
That sounds fancy.
Yep.
And its purpose, that's what you're cutting out, right?
Yep, that's the drawing for your breaker panel cover.
New breaker panel for the sailboat. And when you push the button, that thing's gonna start doing this thing?
Yep. It'll be ready
to go. Oh man, I gotta see this.
As soon as I hit this green button.
There you go. Hold on. Let's do a countdown. 3, 2, 1, go. That's crazy. Dude, that's amazing. I bet it's kind of warm too, isn't it? That's crazy. And the lines are so much cleaner than I thought. That thing's actually pretty cool.
We'll pull this off.
Man, that is nothing but cool.
Let's go see how that fits.
So it's really nice. We got sailboats right over there. Machine shop is right here.
Cut one little piece out.
You just gotta nip the edge a little bit.
Yep, just on.
Do that with a sander or something?
Yeah, you just gotta cut right here. maybe more than just one little nip, but that has to come back out. And that one will go to there.
I'm amazed at how fast that thing cuts. I mean, that would take all day to cut this thing by hand.
We're still saying measure once, cut 3 times?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Right there.
Sweet. And you know that old saying, can't beat a man at his own game? That's about it right there. Now all we need to do is drill some holes and it's done, huh?
Yep.
I gotta source me an aluminum hinge. Like you got aluminum hinge?
Mm-hmm.
No, you don't. You had some aluminum hinge. Well, that's some heavy duty hinge. That could actually be welded on rather than bolted on, couldn't it?
Either or.
I think that might work.
Okay.
So y'all do all kinds of things here. What in the world is this thing, Jonathan? This big old long looking thing.
That's just a jig table for handrails.
A jig table for handrails. So y'all build a lot of handrails.
A little bit. Just
A little bit.
Tiny bit.
I've seen probably miles. I bet you've built miles worth of.
Probably about 500 feet a week.
Oh my goodness. Cool. The new distribution panel has been mounted, and there you have it. Still needs to be painted, but cool thing about it, it has an auto close feature. I really like that.